So if the Redragon software is not working, well, there are a few things here that you could do to fix this. So first is you want to check your connections first. Now before diving into software, you want to plug your Redragon keyboard or mouse into a different USB port first. Now sometimes the issue is just a weak or unstable port. But if that doesn't help, well, the next thing that you want to do is you want to update your drivers. Now, outdated or generic drivers can cause the software to fail, so open Device Manager, find your Redragon device, and under keyboards or mice, update the driver to ensure it's fully compatible. And also, you may want to reinstall the software. Now, if drivers are fine but the program still won't launch here, uninstall Redragon software completely, download the newest version from the official Redragon website, reinstall it, and then restart your PC. Now, also some background task needs admin rights, so you may need to right-click the Redragon software shortcut and then select the Run as Administrator option to give it full access. Now, other gaming utilities or lighting software like Razer Signups or Logitech G Hub, or even like certain power management tools may clash with Redragon's app. So temporarily disable or uninstall them so to see if the problem clears out. Now, occasionally compatibility issues come from Windows itself, so make sure your operating system is updated since newer builds often fix drivers or peripheral bugs. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.